Cycle means you come off. Somebody had posted in the group earlier today, like, oh, 200 milligrams a week, that's a cycle. And so I'm going to go off on that real quick because it's a pet peeve, right? Cycle means you come off, first of all. So TRT, the word cycle goes out the window. But you can't tell somebody they're doing a PED dose just based on the dose that you see on paper, right? Like, because if I told you I had a guy on 400 a week and you said, oh, he's just doing that to get big, it's like, you don't know that. You don't know this patient. You don't know the blood work that I've seen. So you can't make that universal claim like that. It drives me nuts when guys do that. And you have to take into account that these are individuals. These are people, and everybody responds differently for various reasons that we probably can't even ever figure out. And that's why the whole point of this is symptom resolution, is titrating your dose within reason. I mean, if some guy's like, I need to be at 3,500 total testosterone to feel my best, it's like, yeah, you probably don't. You're probably way past the point of testosterone being your problem, and I get it that there's a line in the sand somewhere in there and everybody has their own line. For me, I'm pretty generous. I mean, I do have guys that might be 2,000 total, and they feel great. And they're like, I haven't felt better. They don't have any blood pressure issues. Their pulse rate's fine. Like, they have no negative signs or symptoms. And usually I'm like, okay, that's fine. Just be honest with yourself is what I tell patients. Be honest with yourself about how you feel. Don't just chase a high number because you think higher is better. Chase where you feel like a normal, good, healthy human being. But anyway, I just wanted to go off about the saying certain's a cycle dose, because that's anybody who's cycled before knows that 200 a week is not even close to a cycle dose. So
consider becoming a channel member to benefit from several perks. And check out all the things I'm associated with. The Shop Test store for insulin syringes, alcohol swabs and 10cc glass vials. My ebook, The Ultimate Guide to Testosterone Cream. Mizumi Skincare. Online pharmacy NP Labs. And multiple workout programs that I designed myself.